You like my shirt? I had some lady at Marshall's today. She looked at me and laughed and was like, huh, me too. You know, you can relate to that. Welcome back, guys. Today I wanted to do a Fabfitfun unboxing for you. I received my summer box in the mail while I was away on vacation, and I'm really excited to open it. I haven't, again, I've kind of figured out for these videos not to watch anything else on them. I feel like when I watch unboxing videos, it like totally gives it away for me. I stopped myself from doing that now, so that way when I get the box, I'm completely surprised by everything that's in it. Also, this video is going to be a little late. I'm sorry. I try and upload for you guys at least one video a week. We just came back from vacation. We went to Outer Banks, North Carolina, and it was so relaxing, so needed, and I feel like I'm trying to get my motivation back for like anything, because now that I'm back home, it's kind of like a struggle. Like I feel like I'm still in vacation mode. You know what I mean? So bear with me. I apologize for the lateness. But I figured this is a good way to get it back in because I didn't know what to record either. I was kind of like, well, what am I going to record? Like, I just feel unmotivated right now. And then this box came in the mail, so when I came home, it was here, and I was like, all right, perfect. We're going to do it. So if you want to see the summer Fabfitfun unboxing, then keep on watching. So first off, I definitely like the box. I love how colorful it is. So pretty. I got my skizzes. When you first open the Fabfitfun boxes, the first thing that you always see are their little newspapers. This kind of, I call it newspaper, I don't really know what it is, but it kind of tells you everything that's in the box, how it originated, how it started, just how the products are in general. So this is really helpful. I always turn to like this when there's a product that I like don't really know how to use or what it is, or I just want to kind of find more out about it. So that's always nice. Ooh, this box smells good. It's so pretty. Okay, so the first thing, ooh, I think this might be what I'm smelling. So aromatherapy de-stress muscle gel, focusing and soothing. It smells like lavender, and it's a lavender box, so I'm assuming that's the smell. Let's see. It says apply generously and massage into overworked joints and muscles as often as necessary. So I actually got a long time ago an oil from them for muscles, and it works so well. Like, it just feels really nice. It's like a massage oil, and I really do like it. Ooh, this thing's huge. Experience the warming and easing powers of rosemary, black pepper, lavender, and ginger to de-stress your body after spending too long in one position or after too much physical activity. The ritual, apply generously and massage into overworked joints and muscles. So that's kind of cool. So I don't think it's, ooh, yeah. Oh, that smells so good. It's definitely more of like a lotiony texture. It doesn't feel like, oh, that's really nice. It's like a gel moisturizer is exactly what it feels like. See, that's nice, because sometimes with the oils, like you have to, when you want to like use a massage oil, you kind of like have to prepare yourself because you get all oily and gross after, but this is like nice. It's really soothing and cooling too. I'll definitely be using that. Oh my God. You know how expensive this thing is? Oh my God, that's amazing. I already know what this palette is, but this has highlighters and bronzers in it. So this is a cream bronzer, and then we have the regular bronzer, and then like a ton of highlighters. Oh, it smells like cocoa. Love this palette, it's so beautiful. I don't have it though, but I've seen it everywhere, so that's really cool. This palette, let's see how much this retails for, because I know it ain't cheap. Tarte Pro Glow Highlight and Contour Palette is $45. That's insane that you get it in this box. I'm seeing Pier 1 in here. Love Pier 1, but it's always so expensive, so I never shop there. Ooh, if you know me, you know I love Marvel products, and this is a cute little, how stinking cute is that? I love it. I love Marvel stuff. Oh my God, this Sephorio. So I think we used to sell these at Ulta, because I remember seeing them like all the time, and these, I believe, aren't cheap. Measures skin moisture, reveals skin age, customizes cleansing routine, app records progress. That's really cool. And then it does include some batteries for the first use. Oh my God, it's a heavy little thing. Ooh. How do you turn it off? I'm so confused. Holding it in turns it off. So I think what it's used for is to clean your face. All right, let's go back to the handy dandy newspaper. Foreo Luna guess what? You're one of the first to get your hands on Forio's newest revolutionary device. It is powered by Bluetooth technology and advanced skin sensors to create a totally personalized profile, which is sent straight to the newly launched Forio Luna app. And this little thing is $89. So it's an exclusive launch. It says, tip, avoid clay or grainy cleansers as they may damage the silicone touch point. So I will try this with my Purity face wash, and I will do more on it and see how it goes. So it kind of has like that silicone rubbery feel to it. So I'll have to get the app, kind of play around with it, try it out a few times. Hula product in here, which is another product that was sold at Ulta. Classic sunscreen. Oh, this is perfect. And it's organic sun care and is SPF 50. So when I just came back from the beach, I first off, let me tell you, this is so bad, but I never used to use sunscreen like ever. Maybe on my face, but that was it. But I'm the kind of person that would like burn once and then that was it. Like the rest of the summer I have good color and like that's it. I don't really typically burn, but I feel like as I get older, my skin is definitely burning more. And I went through all the sunscreen when I was away on vacation this week. So this is cool that this is a SPF 50 moisturizer sunscreen because I did need another one. It does say classic face though, which I don't necessarily need a face SPF, but I'm down to try it. And I know that their products are really, really cool. So that's very useful in the summer box. Orlando Pita Play, I hope I said that right, hair protectant spray. Ooh, preheat styling spray with 10 incredible benefits. So apply to wet or dry hair. Okay. That smells good. Has heat protection, humidity control, shields from environmental stressors, enhances manageability, helps repair split ends, preserves shine, smooths hair cuticle, promotes softness, helps maintains color, and refreshes curls. Spray lightly on towel dried hair prior to heat styling or air drying. Can also be used on dry hair prior to curling or straightening. So that's really cool. I like that it's a spray. It smells really, really good. I like heat protecting stuff. I'm actually using this one from, I want to say the spring box. I'm not really sure, but this is from a Fabfitfun box and I like it a lot. But this is cool, something different. I like that it's a spray. It looks like, wait, shut up. This straw saves marine life. Visit giveasip.us. I love it. There's little turtles on it. How cute. I'm really big on like recycling and anything with like saving the environment, especially the ocean. I'm big on like not leaving things on the beach, anything like that. And straws have definitely been a big thing lately. There's a huge garbage patch in the ocean and it's like where all the trash and bottles and things that just should not be in the ocean, they kind of get like stuck in this one spot and they find all these sea animals that are trapped in these products, and it's really sad. And it's kind of like always been a big thing of mine to recycle and all that kind of stuff because I think it's so important to save those animals that are helpless, that they can't save themselves. So I think it's so important to do your own part. It's a little tiny part that you can do to really save any animal. So I'm really big on this and I appreciate this, but I will definitely be repurchasing these because these ones are not plastic. They are recyclable products and they are biodegradable, most likely. That's what it feels like. Exfoliant cleanser enriched with papaya, microcrystals, and aloe. Ooh, this is what I need right now because I'm peeling. Ooh, there's not a seal on it. That makes me a little nervous. Doesn't really have too much of a scent. Kind of smells fragrance-free. Exfoliator mimics professional microdermabrasion results. Ooh. Directions, wet face, massage all over in a circular motion, avoid the eye area. So this is an exfoliant face wash. Definitely gonna try that, especially now that my face is peeling. It's like this may be the last product in here. This is cute. This is a beach towel, summer rose. Ooh, this is soft. Make your own sunshine. Oh, it's a beach towel. Oh, I love getting beach towels. Beach towels are like those things where like I hate spending my own money on them, but like you can never have too many. This is like the softest beach towel ever. Oh, it's so pretty. It's literally palm tree leaves. All right, guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed the Fabfitfun summer unboxing video. I definitely enjoyed opening it, and I cannot wait to try out these new products, and especially to bring this guy to the beach. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to support my channel, and also don't forget to hit that little notification bell. That will alert you when I upload a new video. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. The spring, no. We got a TARDIS Pro Glow. How do you turn it off? Oh my god, what is happening? Look at this. Hello?